Next, I will take some actual data and then we'll see how to do the pivot table over there. So let's say we have some data over here. Okay, so this data is sales data of a company. So where you have this is the order date, region, city, product code, product category, what is the product name, how many quantities sold, what is the total price, okay, and what is the total sales. So price per unit, sorry, it should be total price per unit. So let's say it's price per unit, and this is counting the total sales. Okay, so can you hear me? Okay. So now I can actually create many different type of pivot tables. Okay. So pivot tables is for senior management to see. Okay. Or you want to summarize the data. There you are going to see. As an example, let's say I want to know how much is the sales in East region. Okay. So how much is the sales in East region? Okay. So what do we do? So if I say that find the sales in the East region by month. So monthly sales in the Eastern region. What we'll do? So we'll see that. Okay, we'll select this, insert pivot table. Okay, you have selected, and now we want to put in the existing worksheet. Existing worksheet. Remember, we want it in sheet 1. Okay, sheet 1. I have selected. Let's say A6. Press OK. So the pivot table, this structure has come. Okay. Now let's see this. So whenever pivot table is highlighted, okay, you get pivot table tools. Okay, where you have the options, you have the design. Okay. So you can have options like if you select this field list, so you can, this is a field list, you can see buttons, it's a field list. Okay, so it is coming here. Okay, then field headers. Okay, we'll see that. I think when we apply filter, then design. Okay, so then design like whether you want row headers, column headers, banded row. We'll see that once we get the data. Okay. Now what is the data we have? We want the sales in the East region by month. Okay, so we want sales. So sales has to be my aggregation values. Okay, so see this. The moment what I did was actually I dragged and dropped, but you can actually just check this. When you check this, it will come automatically here, and Excel will try to identify where to put. Okay, so if you just leave on the Excel, then it can be overwhelming. So you have to think what you want to produce. Okay. So you want to have sales as a summation because you want the sales in the East region. Okay. So you want the region, okay, as a filter, or let's say you want the sales, not the East region. Let's say you want region wise sales. So find region wise sales by month. So what we'll do is we are saying, okay, we have region wise sales. So I'll put the region in column, or I can put it in row also. Okay, so you can, if I put it in row, see central, east, north, south, west, some of the sales has come, or I can put it in column also. Right? So either way I can put, and then I can put order date. Okay, so see order date, when I have put, it has come this order date. I can make it group wise I can say month. So see this how we have done group starting ending, and by default it is giving you something, let's say quarter. So you can have quarterly grouping. Okay, you can have grouping, monthly, you can have grouping daily if you want. Okay, actually all the data were like starting of the month, so grouping monthly is like working fine. So we are getting, so this is what you have got. So January, February, you have the, this the month wise, this is the column levels, this you have the this you have the region, and the pivot table by default will give you this grand total. If you want grand total, you take it. Otherwise, you can say that I don't want grand total. So you say grand total off. So you select, say grand total, I off for both rows and columns, but I don't want off for both rows and column. Let's say currently on for both. Let's say grand total you want for rows only. Okay. So see, this rows only means it will come here. So for January row, the grand total has come. For February row, the grand total has come like this year. Or you want only for column. So for central region, the grand total has come. So since we are interested in the region wise sales, I'll keep this grand total. Right? But I want only the east over here. I don't want all. So what we can do is I can apply the filter in the column labels and I can select only east. So only east values have come. So this is one filtration you can do on the column labels. Right? So please note that this filtration we have done, but here there is nowhere the filter has come. There is nowhere filtration has come. Okay, because this filter is something different. Okay. So as of now, I don't want to put any filter here. Okay, give it like this. Okay. Now I want to know how much is the sales for a product. Okay, so I have got a product code, or let's say not product code, product. So see this, I will have all the product over here. Okay. So I can say, okay, for a carrot, what is the sales across month, across region? Okay. I am interested in, let's say, potato chips. I can get it. If I am interested in more than one, I will select multiple items. I say banana and let's say carrot. Okay. So this way you can do this filter and you can analyze this. So either you can analyze with the data or you can analyze with the charts. So you can actually make a chart out of it. So you can say insert, or let's say pivot chart. By default it will give you. So you can see this pivot chart. Okay, what type of chart you want? I want this chart. Okay. So you can actually perform the filter there also, or you perform filter here. You selected brand here. So see, the values have changed. You selected potato chips, the value will change. So like this way the management can analyze, or analyst can analyze the data and understand, okay, where the sales are growing, decreasing, increasing. Right? Then you can apply multiple filters also. Okay, yes, we'll tell you. Just 1 minute. Okay. So let us delete this pivot. Okay, I can select this, and so please note that the thing cannot delete. You have to select this entire range and delete. Please see, if you want to delete a pivot, if you are deleting like this, it will not work. Cannot change this part. You have to select this. It will not work because the pivot is this entire thing. So you select this entire thing and then delete it. It will work. Let's say what we want to do is we want to insert a pivot table, okay, in the existing worksheet in this location. Okay. So what we want the sales summation. We want sales summation date wise or month wise, and we want for region as a column. So this is where we had done it, and then this is automatically grouped because but by the way, one thing, like pivot has a cache, so many times it will get the values from the cache. You don't have to do things again.